In WhatsApp, if you want to send AI-generated GIF to others, you can do that. In this video, we'll be explaining how to send AI-generated GIF to others through WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact to whom you want to send the GIF. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, here you can see a pin like button. Click on this pin like button, and here you can see AI images. Click on AI images, and here you need to describe your image. For example, I'm typing something like this. After that, click on the send button. When you click on it, some AI photos will be generated, and these AI photos are generated by Meta AI. Now, here you can see some photos. From this, select the photo that you like. For example, I'm selecting this photo, but this is a photo. We want to send a GIF, so click on Make Changes. When you click on that, here you can see Animate option. Click on Animate. When you click on that, it will be converted into a small video. That means it will be converted into a GIF. Now, here you can see the GIF to send. Click on the Send button, and when you click on that, the GIF will be sent. Now, above this photo, you can see it is written GIF. So, this way, you can easily send AI-generated GIF to others through WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.